The global health crisis is adversely impacting the manufacturing industry, causing plant closures and supply chain shortages due to the recent pandemic. As doctors and nurses work to reduce the spread, many factories are being forced to cease operations or retool their facilities to produce goods for first responders and the government. The virus is causing a massive domino effect that will limit business across all verticals. China is known as the world's factory, and the outbreak in Wuhan, the leading area for semiconductor fabrication, will limit the availability of chipsets and other components for the tech industry. As resources run scarce, IoT and technology businesses may be forced to seek alternative methods for sourcing chipsets and manufacturing their new products. IoT Marketing's webinar, Global Challenges in 2020 for the Manufacturing Industry, will discuss the various obstacles businesses have experienced and continue to face as the virus progresses to spread. Register now to join us on Thursday, June 25th for this exclusive webinar. We will also share insights for how these challenges could affect the supply chain and how IoT can be used as a solution for monitoring plant operations remotely during these uncertain times.